Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have some of the job updates. So we shall quickly see one by one. So the first company, it is Ecolab of campus is hiring, and the job role for that is application engineer, and the expected salary or the CTC is 5 to 10 lakhs per annum, and the experience needed, so both freshers as well as experienced graduates are eligible to apply, and the job or the work location, so it is Jharkhand. So we shall quickly see how to apply for this particular job role and the skills which are needed. So for that, minimum qualification needed, so you need to have bachelor's degree, and also if you have 2 years of experience, so it's an added advantage for this. So apart from that, there are no much skills which are needed, like you need to have experience working with MS Excel spreadsheets and strong aptitude, and you need to have good communication skills. So these are the skills which are needed for this particular job role. Then you can just click on apply to apply for this particular job role. So no need to join the network or the community, so you can directly start applying. So first step is you need to choose the updated resume, and later you can just enter your personal information like your email address, first name, last name, country, then zip code and your phone number, and if you like the current job title in whichever company you are working, and the level of education and the areas of interest, and you can just agree the terms, and then you can you can click no thanks, continue to apply, and then you can just complete all the application form, and then you can just submit the application form. So this is about the first company, that is Ecolab. So the second company, it is Victoria's Secret of campus is hiring, and the job role for that is front-end web developer, and the experience needed, so 1 to 3 years of experience is needed for this particular job role, and the expected salary or the CTC, it is 8 to 12 lakhs per annum, and the work location, so it is Bangalore. So coming to the skills which are needed, so as they are hiring for the front-end web developer, so you need to have knowledge on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and experience with the React JavaScript is needed, and also knowledge on various tools and technologies and development with CI or CD process. So this is the main thing which is needed for this particular job role, and qualification like any bachelor's degree or equivalent experience, so those are eligible to apply, and those who has interest in front end, so they are eligible to apply for this particular job role. So to apply, you can just click on apply for this. So here you need to create a new account, so you can just create you can just click new user, and then you can just enter your email address, create new password, and then once your account is created successfully, you can just log in, and then you'll be you can just start your application, you can fill the personal details, education details, experience details, and later you can just upload the resume and to add the certifications, if you have done any of the certifications or projects related to front end using React and all, so you can do that, you can add that, and then just submit the application form. So this is about the second company, that is Victoria's Secret. So then coming to the third company, so that is AliveCor of campus is hiring, and the job role for that is software engineer, that is for front end developer, and the experience needed, so it is 1 to 4 years of experience is needed, and the expected salary of the CTC 5 to 20 lakhs per annum, and the work location is Bangalore. So coming to the skills which are needed for this particular job role, so same as they are hiring for the front-end developer, you need to have knowledge on HTML, CSS and JavaScript, including ES5 or ES6, so this is mandatory, and proficient in DOM manipulation and excellent troubleshooting skills, and familiarity with the RESTful APIs, and experience with front-end development tools like Babel, Webpack, NPM, Enzyme. So these are the mandatory skills which are needed for this particular job role, and if you have done any of the projects and you have added the source repository in GitHub or GitLab, so it will be an added advantage to shortlist further. And then the skill qualification is you need to have 1 to 4 years of experience, and bachelor's degree in computer science or any other related fields. Those who has knowledge of these front-end skills, so they are eligible to apply for this particular job role. So you can just click on apply for this. So first step is you need to add the resume, and later you just need to fill your personal information, first name, last name, your email address, then location, and then contact number. And are you legally authorized to work in the United States on a full-time basis? So do mention this. And like if you need any sponsorship for the visa, like you can choose, like you can add accordingly. And later the work status and the salary, and do add the LinkedIn URL and also like additional files. It can be cover letter or any of the certifications you can add, and then just submit the application form. So based on your resume and everything, they'll shortlist and contact you for the further rounds. So these are the 3 jobs. So the link for all these 3 jobs, it will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.